is working 100%, ushobora kuyihereza umukiriya cyangwa se nawe ushobora gutangira kuyikoresha igakora neza kandi cyane. So kubera ko ibijyanye na Google Map ikoresha Google location n'ubundi fetching location ya aho uri. So aho urimo gukoreshereza muri shop yawe n'ubundi niho Google Map izajya yerekana. So ibijyanye na contact twamaze kwa tuzichanginga byose, everything is okay. And then another phase is to ship our code online. Aho no ngo by now abafite website ni twebwe turimo kuyikoreshereza kuri local machine kugira ngo bose bayaccessinge noneho n'abantu batangire bayikoreshe. So tugiye guhostinga code, and then after hosting code noneho to deploying cyangwa se du hosting na website aho dushaka kwa twayisharinga abantu bakayibona. So for now ngiye namaze guconfirminga ko website irimo irarukinga neza cyane 100%. So now nkuko twabivuze turaza hano step ya mbere, turaza hano muri GitHub, tuze hano kuri create new repository, turaza hano kuri plus icon, tuze hano kuri new repository. Now repository yacu iraba yitiranwa na website yitwa Your Shoes. Hano tuvuga ngo any e-commerce, ni small like a description, any e-commerce shoes website that I built with React and Tailwind CSS. So now after this there is no another thing you have to do. Uraza hano create repository. So numara kuza hano kuri create repository, what you have to do no kuza ugakopia ibi byose. So turaza hano tuze hano turakuziza mu yindi terminal, uraza ukanda hano kuri plus. Hano turata tujya muri new terminal. Nitujya muri new terminal uraza ukopie byandi tuvanye hara kuri Git. Nukuvuga ngo hano tugiye gupushinga code zacu, noneho tugiye kuzishyira hehe kuri GitHub. Nubikopi ukabipestingamo hano muri terminal, biragenda byikora mpaka izi command zose zirangiye. So hano kuri git main we can push also, we can push. So ariko kubera ko hano twavuze ngo git add readme, file iragenda n'ubundi ni readme yonyine. Already yamaze kugeramo, ni refreshinga urabona ko website yakoze cyamaze kugeramo, ariko file yagezemo ni readme yonyine. So now icyo turi buze gukora nuko turaza hano tukongera tuvuga ngo git let me show you my terminal git add dot. Hano iyo tuvuze ngo git add dot igiye kwadinga file zose tutari twadinze, dukande enter. Hano irimo iradingamo file zose. So urabona ko tukiraninga git command, urabona ko file noneho zise zihindura kara. Uku guhindura kara no bikwereka ko noneho code zawe urimo urakora iki, urazikontorora. Cyase kuvuga ngo any changes, buri change urakora iraba iristoringa ahantu. Nukuvuga ngo tuvuga urugero hano muri website yacu turimo turakoresha English, ako nituza gukoresha like nk'ikinyarwanda, website yacu nukuvuga ngo version y'ikinyarwanda irabihari na version y'icyongereza irabihari, ku buryo at the certain time ushobora kuzagaruka ugakora iki, ukongera ukayihindura mu buryo ushaka. Cyangwa mu gihe wakoze mistake ushobora kugaruka ugakora iki, ugahindura ya mistake yawe wakoze. So iracyadingamo ama images n'ama file yose. We have to check niba You have to check also git ignore niba tutarapushinga node modules. Okay. Oof. I have to stop this. Before everything, you have to create another file called .git ignore. So we have to kwango igiti ignore kwango iraba turashamo amafayiro giti irirengagiza uko nitujya gupushinga is node module ni ibintu byinshi kabisa ku buryo bishobora gutuma na website igenda gake cyangwa se bigatuma website muri rusange itwara bundles nyinshi. So kugira ngo rero nkwango we are not going to push node module. So what we are going to do, the command for recursive this tugiye kongera gusubira inyuma. Let's say by mistake I have added node modules in git files. Is remove the node modules so it cannot be pushed with the other files. So nukuvuga ngo impamvu tutagomba gupushinga node module urabona ko nayo yagiye mu yindi colors. So hari file tutagomba gupushinga like node modules nkako tuvuge niba wenda ufashe izi code zanjye ukaziraningira muri machine yawe ukaraninga npm install, so nundi iraza yongere install izi node modules zose. Bishatse kuvuga ngo there is no need kandi izi node module ibifite ama bundles menshi. For example nituzana muri desktop, so urabona ko ni selecting file yose, ni selecting folder yose, alt enter to see the size. Urabona ko file yose ifite MBZ 105, ifite megabyte 105, ariko nuza ukareba node module yonyine ifite megabyte 91. Alt enter. Urabona ko node module yonyine ifite megabyte 91 kuri disk ifite megabyte 104. So bishatse kuvuga ngo website yose muri rusange ifite MBZ 105 kuri disk, mu gihe node module yonyine ifite 104. Turumva ko ifite the entire space of our website. Bishatse kuvuga ngo ntago turirwa tuyipushinga. Mu gihe umuntu akeneye izi code cyangwa se tugiye kuzikoreshereza mu yindi machine turadukora npm install. So iyi ngiyi rero niyo command yo kubisubiza inyuma. turadukande allow. Now codex 3 is going to work on it. Urabona ko hano muri git ignore imaze kwadingamo node modules. Hano niyo ufitemo mv file, naho n'ubundi ugomba kuyishira hano muri git ignore kugira ngo website yawe itaba hacked, credential wakoresheje aba hackers bakaba baza accessinga byoroshye. Okay, now node module is now excluded and won't be pushed. What I changed, I added the .ignore node module verified git status no longer shows node module. So you are safe to stage and push other file now. If you also want, you can add this ignore to currently marked and showing. I think there is no need even to add also this. This you can also add this here, even this. Now let's clear the terminal. Okay, now running a git status kugira ngo turebe file ziri tracked. Now nkuko bibona node module is not now included. So now let's add git add dot. Here is going to add everything except this and node modules. Urabona ko zifite kara itandukanye n'andi mafile. So andi mafile urabona ko yahinduye kara, ariko this and node module are not in the same color. So now nitwongera kuraninga git status and hit enter. Urabona ko now file zacu zose zamaze gukora iki, zamaze kuba tracked. So now kugira ngo dupushinge rero nuko ngo by now nitugaruka no muri GitHub tukarefreshinga turacyafite still .md yonyine. So ariko kugira ngo now is file zose nazo zigera no muri GitHub, turaza tuvuge ngo git commit message adding, you see, adding images in the website, and then hit enter. Now git push your origin main, enter. So now ngo project yacu ubungubu ihostinze hehe, ihostinze kuri GitHub. Ngo niturefreshinga urabona ko project yacu ikoze iki, ihostinze kuri GitHub. Bishatse kuvuga ngo ubungubu project yacu igize ikibazo muri computer cyangwa se computer ikagira ikibazo, project yacu n'ubundi twakongera tukayaccessingira mu yindi laptop dukoresheje iyi ngiyi ihostinze kuri GitHub. So now ubwo tumaze kugeza project yacu kuri GitHub, next step is okay, nk'iza node twamaze kuzikoresha git VS Code. We don't even need this, also need this. So website zo gukuraho ama image ari professionally free mwazibonye ni Unsplash na Pexel, and also yes, I think now we need only this tab. So website now irimo iraninga neza cyane, irimo irakora 100%. Babonye ko dushobora kongeramo izindi nkweto mu gihe dukeneye gukora iki, gushiramo inkweto. So icyo tugiye gukora noneho phase tugezeho ni uguhostinga website. Tumaze kubika code zacu hano kuri GitHub, none ariko dukeneye guhostinga website tukabona domain ya website yacu. So turaza kuri Vercel, niho wamaze gucreatingaho account. So probably interface yawe ntago iraza kuba imeze gutya kuko igomba kuba itandukanye n'iyanjye. So turaza so umaze kugera muri Vercel uraza hano hari add new, ukande hano kuri add new kuri project. So automatically niba wayilinkinze na GitHub, nukuvuga ngo nureba neza ya project tumaze gukora niyo iri hejuru, your shoes. So turaza dukike hano kuri import. Nidukika kuri import barakwereka, so hano your shoes, hano dushobora guhindura name, let's say like Okay, reka tubifata nese like your shoes. Izina ryawe riga Okay, let's say like your shoes or okay, dukeneye izina kuko bo baraduhereza domain yitwa .versel.app. Nitwa dufite your shoes, biraba your shoes.versel.app. But we can say also the shoes instead of writing your shoes. Okay, let's go with your shoes. Our shoes. Reka dukomeze with your shoes kubera ko n'ubundi website yacu ariko yitwa. Reka dukomeze hano. So bijyanye na website hano nta bintu turaza ku editingamo, n'ubundi turimo gukoresha Vite. Hano nta kintu editingamo, hano automatically nta kintu editingamo, hano nta kintu urashiramo, n'ubundi automatically Vite tubibona. Nta variables twakoresheje muri website yacu, turakirika kuri deploy. Ukuvuga ngo hano uri kudeployinga website yawe. So now mu gihe cy'amasegonda makeya urabona ko website yacu yamaze kuhagera, ariko it looks like somehow strange. I don't know. Let's continue to deploy. So hano website yabaye deployed ariko haracyarimo ikibazo. Niba turimo kurebera hano versel.shoes. So now nukwa ngo urabona ko website yacu nawe ubu ngubu yamaze kuba professional, kwa ngo ushobora gusharinga link yonyine website yawe abantu bose bakayikoresha. So nukuvuga ngo ubu ngubu website imeze neza cyane, iri kuri link. Ariko hano harimo akabazo kuri name. Have your shoes.new. I don't know where it comes. So we can also back here. Okay, let's back here. Katugaruka no kuri home. Website tumaze gushiraho ni hano website already twamaze kuyihostinga. There's some problems. Your shoes, turaza tugaruke hano, tuze hano kuri okay, your shoes, reka tuze hano kuri setting. Ubundi still name ni your shoes ariko iri kutwongerera akantu I don't know why. So I think so. Now for me, I think I have the problem here. So nukuvuga ngo website yacu yitwa your shoes. So okay, dushobora guhindura hano website, dushobora kuyigira wenda inkweto nziza, inkweto okay, reka tuyigire inkweto. So inkweto is the meaning of shoes in Kinyarwanda language for some people that doesn't know what does this mean. So inkweto means the shoes in Kinyarwanda. So now let's save again. Let's go ahead and save. Now updated the project name successfully. So you can hear this is not required. So nitugaruka hano aho hope ko link yahindutse. Okay, let's go here. I still have the problem here. What happened? You are logged in as Mugisha Isaie. Okay, let's refresh guys. Reka turefreshinge turebe maybe habayemo some problem. Okay, you see, okay, we changed just the, okay, we changed the project name, ariko ntago twachanginze domain name. Domain name yacu nayo igomba kuba changed kugira ngo ibe changed. This still turaza no kuri is it here or okay, let's change to setting. Project name ni Inkweto, and you know, I think the right way is to remove it and redeploy it. So I'm going to remove it. Let's delete this Inkweto. I'm going to remove it and redeploy it. Delete my project, and then delete. So I don't need to refreshing. Nawe urabona ko ya website yashidahari. So reka twongere to deploying, turaza no kuri okay, refreshing. So turaza no kuri new kuri add new, dushireho tujye kuri project. So the best way website yacu reka, okay, my shoes. I think again dushaka gusubira muri VS Code. I got an idea. So website yacu dushaka kuyita Inkweto. So that's why I'm going to rename it Inkweto. So also I think we'll go and also change everything, so we can also change here. Okay, in order to do fast, so let's use AI here. Now I change my mind, my website. My website were called your shoes, but now I need it to be called Inkweto. Act as senior web developer and change everywhere from your shoes to Inkweto. Now and hit enter. So nukuvuga ngo hano AI igiye gukora akazi kahangaha. Reka even do change na GitHub repository. We can even rename it. Let me back here. Let me go to the setting. Go to the setting. So now hano kuri rename tugiye gushiraho Inkweto. Inkweto. Tugiye gushiraho Inkweto and also rename it. Inkweto is available, yes. Anything else? Okay, let's check in VS Code. Now let's go and allow it to change everything. let's back here in GitHub. So urabona ko now urabona ko now website yacu cyangwa se repository yacu yitwaga Your Shoes yahindutse inkweto. So now ahangaha ninjya guhostinga cyangwa se ninjya kuyideployinga website yanjye. So nje impamvu nyihinduye guys, impamvu nyihinduye nshaka like ubamereze domain name like inkweto.vercel.app buryo umuntu ashobora kujya gusacinga bikoroha neza cyane. So I will rename branding and identifier from Your Shoes to inkweto across the project. Hano nukuvuga ngo AI kigiye kudufasha, igiye kugenda mu gihe twe twari kugenda duhindura everything. So nuko nibagiwe no kuyibwira igahita bipushinga. So hano yifitemo iyi AI ifite capability yo guhita irunning ama command yose uko mwabibonye nje ndimo ndakoresha bita copilot command line. So byose nukuvuga ngo igenda ikora iki ibi. So nukuvuga ngo hano turongera dukore run npm run breed. Now turategereza nk'ibisanzwe kugira ngo imanze imaking sure ko yabikoze neza muri file zose. Now urabona ko yamaze if you want urabona ko yamaze kurangiza. No kuvuga ngo noneho reka turebe ko ya updatinze everything muri website yacu. Turagaruka no muri website muri browser kongere turaninge website yacu instead of Your Shoes. Urabona ko website nawe ubu ngubu yitwa inkweto. So no kuvuga ngo urabona ko website yacu nawe ahari za shoes muri za futa Your Shoes urabona ko hari inkweto everywhere, hari iki hari inkweto. So here about urabona ko everywhere yakoze iki yagiye hashira iki inkweto ahantu hose hari ikintu cyitwa ko hari Your Shoes nakora ko ikoze icyo bita rebrand. So now urabona ko website yacu nawe ubu ngubu irarangiye. Icyo tugiye gukora noneho no gukora iki nuko turagaruka hano kuri new project tukarefreshinga. Okay, urabona ko nayo automatically nayo nubundi yirefreshinze ariko turamanza nubundi tuze dukora iki. Nukuvuga ngo urabona ko hano ntago turapushinga. Nukuvuga ngo akamaro again ka GitHub ka Git. Nukuvuga ngo nituza hano muri HTML nukuvuga ngo barimo barakwereka. So hano ingi chat dushobora kuyikuraho. Nukuvuga ngo urukubona ko ibi nukuvuga ngo buri kintu cyose buri change yose twakoze ukubona ko ikoze iki igiye ihari. Turabona ko hano twaje duhindura Your Shoes for example dushobora even no kuza yes. So nukuvuga ngo nureba neza hano baraza bakwereke. Nukuvuga ngo hano muri channel description hano kwangwa hano twongeyemo channel not channel description, twongeyemo website description mu gihe hano nta yari irimo. So ikindi hano hano abona ko harimo ibintu byinshi mu gihe hano nta byo twagashizemo. Anje nshaka kubereka kuri title exactly. So urabona ko kuri title hari Your Shoes mu gihe hano twahinduye ko inkweto step into style. Nukuvuga ngo nituza hano muri browser urabona ko title yahindutse inkweto step into style. So nukuvuga ngo iyi Git igenda ikwereka nukuvuga ngo ibintu byose byagiye bicenginga biba changed. Bishatse kuvuga ngo hari ibintu ubonye byabaye changed muri website yawe utabishaka ugomba gukora iki, ugomba kubihindura. So ariko nukuvuga ngo izi change twakoze ntago ziragera kuri GitHub. Kugira ngo zigere kuri GitHub ushaka kubihindurira hano cyangwa ukabihindura hehe muri terminal ukaza ugakoresha git commit na git push. Ariko na hano ushaka gukoresha interface ukaza ugashiramo message like wenda updating my website from Your Shoes to inkweto. Now dukande commit. Yes. Nitumara gukanda commit sync changed ni nko gukanda push. Ukandeho yes. Ukuvuga ngo network yacu nibi hari irimo kugenda neza cyane. Push irahita ikora iki, irahita igenda neza cyane. nawe nimara kurangira noneho ubwo turaza tugaruke hano. Icyiza ni ukuvuga ngo ikindi kintu ushaka kuza ukagaruka hano kuri GitHub, ni ukuvuga ngo commit zose twagiye dukora urabona ko zikoze iki zihari kandi neza cyane. Ni ukuvuga ngo duheruka gukomitinga nyuma y'iminota 30 ariko niturefreshinga urabona ko ya commit ni ukuvuga ngo updating my website from your shoes to inkweto nayo ikoze iki ihise iyongeraho. Ni ukuvuga ngo ugenda ukontorora project yawe, ugenda ukontorora code base zawe uko ubishaka. Ni ukuvuga ngo bishatse kuvuga ngo ushobora kuza ugakanda hano, nuza ugakanda hano kuri iyi commit, ni ukuvuga ngo barakwereka what changed, ni ukuvuga ngo ahari your shoes habaye inkweto, ni ukuvuga ngo everything, buri kintu cyose cyagiye kiba changed bagenda bakora iki bakikwereka muri rusange. So now ubwo umaze kumva logic nicyo haba Git na GitHub byose bikora, turaza rero turigarukira hano naho tureka turefreshinge kugira ngo dukore ibintu biri updated. So murabizi ko turaza hano duhite make, ni ukuvuga ngo no muri veriseri bahita bakwereka ko hashize umunota dukoze iki updating. Turizira hano kuri import, nituza kuri import website yacu iraba yitwa inkweto, tubabarire ntihongere gushiraho ikindi kintu kabisa. So ni ukuvuga ngo ngende ndimo ndasupposinga ko website yacu iraba yitwa inkweto.veriseri.app. So reka twigira hano kuri deploy. Naho barimo baradeployinga website yacu urabibona neza cyane. Turabona ko byagenze neza cyane. Now wow, website yacu yamaze kuba deployed now. So we can continue to the dashboard. Nshaka kureba domain baduhaye. Wow, this is what I was looking for. Nice. Guys, murabibona neza cyane, ndabizomenze cyane. Ariko what I was looking for na kangaka inkweto.veriseri.app. So ninza rero nkayikandaho, ni ukuvuga ngo now website yanjye namaze gukora iki, namaze kuyishipinga. Ni ukuvuga ngo umuntu wese nahereza iyi link inkweto.veriseri.app, ni ukuvuga ngo yaba afite iki, yaza akinjira muri website akareba neza cyane shop collection. Ni ukuvuga ngo bahita bakuzana hano kuri shop ugashopinga inkweto yose ukoze iki ushaka. So bishatse kuvuga ngo tuvuge niba nshaka akagakweto kitwa Adidas Samba OG, nkaza nkagakirikaho, ni ukuvuga ngo nkaza order via WhatsApp. Ninkora kuri order via WhatsApp, ni ukuvuga ngo automatically kubera ko nashizemo WhatsApp yanjye, muri WhatsApp yanjye barahita bakora iki, barahita bazana ndashaka kugura iyi nkweto yitwa Adidas, igiciro kara nahisemo mwamfasha. This is insane guys. So ni ukuvuga ngo murabona ko now website yacu irimo iroperatinga neza cyane, website yacu nawe imeze neza cyane. So now igisigaye rero ni ukuvuga ngo niba website umaze kuyikora muri rusange, ni ukuvuga ngo congratulations, akazi kawe wakoze iki wakarangije. Ni ukuvuga ngo umuntu wese waza kuri iyi website yacu yaza hano kuri about, urabona ko website yacu irasa neza cyane, website yacu irerekana but here there is a problem. Why? Website yacu ko mbona igifite ibibazo. So reka tugaruke hano. I don't even saw this problem. Hano kuri about bonye harimo ikibazo. But here is the problem. Why? Is it our nearby branches? So I don't know why hano rero aya ma image atarimo kugaragara. So kuri nuko ngo hano harimo ikibazo. Website ihostinze image hano kuri visit our nearby branches, harimo ikibazo cya broken images, ariko nuko ngo kuri local website muri machine yacu website nuko ngo images ama images arimo aragaragara kandi neza cyane. Hano harimo ikibazo gikomeye. So kugikemura turabigenza dute? Turagaruka muri website, ikibazo kiri probably gishobora kuba gihari. So sinzi niba ama images tutaya pushinze. Turaza hano muri public images shoes. I don't know why. Okay, reka tuza hano kuri GitHub. Tuza hano kuri GitHub, tuza hano kuri where is the public? Here we have a page, here we have a data. I think we don't even push public. No, here is public. Now let's go into the public. Also into the images shoes. Also amafoto ari nayo yabaye pushed. Ahubwo ikibazo gihari ni iki? So guys, currently now I can't tell you what is the problem, but I'm going to take this. Let's take this and I'm going to use AI here for sure. I'm going to search. I'm not going to go in this problem. Okay. Let's paste here the problem. There is any bugs in the hosted website. In about page, or location array, I think it's array, the images are visible in a local website, but on a hosted website the images are broken. Fix it and push the code and show what was the problem. Let's go. So honestly, I can't go again in the code and find the error. What really going on happened here? Let's go and refresh again. The other images are very visible, but the problem also is here, which I don't know what happened. So okay, ndabona igiye kubikoraho. Let's try and wait and see what really happened. Because I don't understand how okay. Okay, we are going to allow this. Now let's go, let's allow it. Now nkuko tubibona rero so irachanginze and then irapushinga. What was the problem in about.js6? The branch images used path like that can appear to work locally, but in the production invite bridge asset must be referenced from web roots as images. Okay, let's see niba hari changes yabaye. First of all, reka ture urabona ko hamaze kuba changes. Urabona ko nituza hano muri versaire hamaze kuba changes. Reka dukirikeho turebe, tugaruke muri about. Raza hano, we need here to be in about. Wow, nice. So you see, urabona ko nawe bise bihinduka. So nukwango the website now looks great. So itubwiye ko ikibazo cyari gihari, the images in about.js branch images used path like images. Now this can work locally, but in production invite. Okay, reka turebe noneho uko ibihinduye. So ituza hano muri about, let's find the about page. About page source, and here let's check about. Reka turebe now. I think it still looks the same. I don't know. I don't even remember that how we did it, but still looks the same. So ariko maybe twe twamanzaga tukava muri folder ya about.js6 tukajya hanze, tukajya muri public, you know. I remember. So guys, now rero nkuko mubibona rero website now irimo irakora neza cyane, kandi ni website imeze neza cyane, ifite icyo bita animations. So ubona ko website iri interactive, umukiriya ashobora kuyigeraho. Website iriruka, iranyaruka cyane. Hano umukiriya ashobora kuyigeraho ibintu byose agahaha, cyangwa se akavugana na nyiri business, bikagenda neza cyane. So niba urimo gukora website rero ngo uyicuruze, nawe ushobora gutangira kuyigurisha. Urabona ko ugiye kuyigurisha nubwo umuntu wamuca amadolari 300 magana ngahe, nuko ngo website nawe ubu tuvugana igiye ku mafaranga makeya, iri hagati y'amadolari 100 byibuze n'amadolari 200. kandi nuko ngo urabona ko wayikoze umunsi umwe. So ariko ukamakinga sure ko wayihaye umucuruzi idakoze idafite ikibazo na kimwe. So now ikindi rero mbere yuko turangiza iyi website, nuko ngo niba turangije website, akazi gasigaye niba niba urimo kuyikorera, it's up to you. Nuko ngo congratulations for you, ukoze website iri professional. Now ubaye professional, business yawe igiye gukomeza gutera imbere, kandi noneho wubatse icyo twita brand, modern and professional business brand. So now ikindi noneho tugiye kureba, niba wari uri kuyikora nk'umu freelancer ukayikora kugira ngo uyigurishe abandi, it's time for you to go to find client. Yenda ushaka abakiriya bakeneye ama website. So nuko ngo uburyo bwa mbere twabonye, ushobora kuza hehe, uraza hano kubashakira online ni kimwe, ariko no kubashakira locally ni kindi. So kubashakira locally nibyo biba byiza, aho ushobora kugenda ku muntu wizeye ukamubwira ukamwereka website n'uburyo ishobora kumufasha, akaba yakora iki, yakwishura, akazakurangira n'abandi. Even na hano rero kuri hano kuri online, uraza hano kuri aho bita Google Map ugasacinga, ukaza hano kuri Google Map, haba hari ama business menshi atandukanye. So iyo umaze kugera hano kuri Google Map, icyo ukora uraza ugakora iki, let me say choose in Rwanda, like that. You can search whatever you want. Igitekerezo kikuri mu mutwe ugerageza gusacinga nyine like urabona ko inkingi ni company ya mbere bahise banyereka, iri Kigali downtown. So ninyikanda aho nkajyaho, urabona ko icuruza inkweto, ituyijyaho neza. Urabona ko nta website bafite. So urabona ko iyi company nta website bakoze iki bafite. So now it's your time. Urabona ko ariho address zabo, hariho ama address yabo n'ibiki byose. Icyo ukora nuko ukora iki, uragenda ugafata namba zabo cyangwa se address yabo ukabandikira ukababwira ati nabakoreye website. Urabona nkingi yitwa Rwandan Shoes, iyi website yacu no kuyihindura Rwandan Shoes. Babwira ati nabakoreye website ishobora kubafasha muri development yanyu mugacuruza kandi neza, website bikagenda neza cyane. So now rero guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was the massive big helpful video. Ini video abantu benshi video ugiye kuyigura, ini video ushobora gushira kuri website zicuruza ama courses ikagurishwa amafaranga arenga amadolari 15 kugira ngo uwatchinge iyi videos. So ikindi rero nukenera izi code zanjye, ndabizi dushobora kuba twakoresheje steps zimwe ariko wowe ntubone output nk'iyi yanjye. Nukenera izi code zanjye wemerewe kuza ukambwira, ziri ku mafaranga 5,000 nkaguhereza code zanjye akaba arizo ukoresha. So ikindi iyo ukeneye kwiga ushobora kuba udafite prior basic skills muri programming, harimo kwiga za HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Hano twakoresheje nka Tailwind ya CSS. Nitugaruka no muri code nureba neza ibi by'ama object, iyi ni JavaScript yigendera. And then nituza hano wenda za motion.div, iyi ni from motion nayo nubundi ariko ni CSS nta birenze. Ahubwo noneho wenda nituza hano kuri urabona ko ku ma class twagiye dukoresha width ni full, height ni 34, iyi yose ni CSS yigendera. Niba ukeneye kwiga aya masomo yose ushobora kutwandikira kuko ntago turatangira kuyashira kuri website ya MI Tech Hub, ariko amasomo nayo aracyari kuri coding azashirwaho. Na hano kuri MI Tech Hub YouTube channel tuzadushiraho website video nk'izi ngizi zikwigisha uburyo ushobora gukora iki, gutangira gukora amafaranga cyangwa se gukora icyo twita problem solving website. Ukora website ishobora gukora iki, gukemura ibibazo. So guys, I know I said more. Iyi ni video yamvunye cyane, niba yagufashije ukore subscribe, ukore na share kugira ngo iyi video abantu bose bakomeze bakora iki, bayikunde, babone, batangire bakore. Turi mu gihe cya AI, nidufatanya na basic coding dushaka gukora ibintu byinshi byiza bishobora gutanga solution muri community. Thank you so much guys. I hope this video was really helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share na comment.